What is this?
My friend, this is a modular elevator system.
How is this working?
Sure. It is operated by Arduino Uno, powered by 24-volt DC power supply. The motion of the elevator is controlled by a stepper motor through a motor driver.
So, what are these? These are 3 proximities which detects metal, and these are 3 push buttons to get user input. How does this work? If we want the lift to be at a particular level, we push the corresponding push button, and the elevator stops when the sensor detects the metal part at the back of the elevator.
To make this possible, we created a code using Arduino IDE with the help of flowcharts.
Why do we need flowcharts?
Flowchart is a graphical algorithm suitable for sequential processes like this. What we actually do in the flowchart is we detect the current position of the elevator using the input from the sensors, and we get the information from the push buttons to detect which stage the user intends to go.
Is there any other method?
Yes, of course, there is a more advanced method of creating a code using 2 variables, current stage and target stage, but that's a bit complex because you have to be familiar with if conditions.
Wow, that's interesting.
If you have any more questions, feel free to drop it in the comments.
Thank you.
Thank you.